I am so excited to share with you my #1 most valuable app on my phone. It's the easiest, most convenient way to make money fast. You could make $100 plus in minutes with this free app. All you need is a few minutes of your time to sign up and you'll be on your way to making some quick cash. This app is designed for people who have time, but not money. It is simple and easy to use, plus it pays well. What are you waiting for? Just watch the video all through and get started. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. With this app, you can earn $100 plus in minutes. You just have to download the app and you're ready to go. You'll be paid in cash via PayPal or direct deposit, whichever you prefer. The best part is the app is totally free, so it doesn't cost anything to try it out. This app called Timesocial.co. Timesocial is a GPT site that partners with some of the best offer wall and market research companies out there to provide you with the best offers and surveys that can be done in your spare time to earn money. When you join as a member of Timesocial, you will have instant access to ways to make money using social media, friends, apps, games, and thousands of online opinion surveys. Complete them at your leisure to earn instant cash. Signing up is simple. You can just sign up for Timesocial using your email. Sign up for is 100% free. As soon as you've signed up, you will receive a $45 bonus and will see many ways to earn money with social media and other methods. Head over to the Offer Center page, where you can find a wide variety of offers to complete and earn big bucks. They offer many different and unique ways to earn money right away. You can earn by referring your friends or your followers. Earn money by posting on social media sites. Earn money by testing apps and playing different games. Earn money by taking surveys and sharing your opinions. You can earn up to $18 every hour by completing offers on Timesocial. This number can vary based on user activity and progress. They have one of the highest payouts for offers. Earn up to $100 plus per completed offer. You can also earn up to $50 per social media post. You can earn up to $20 per new user referred. They only allow verified tasks and offers, so there are no issues of users not getting their money for offers completed, friends referred, or social media posts. Verified members are paid instantly. Simply select your payout methods such as PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, and more. So you can be paid instantly when you request a cash out. Verifications occur in batches every month or so. You get placed in line for verification as soon as you earn your first dollar with Timesocial. It's only a matter of waiting from here on out. It's worth noting that being active by posting your social media posts, referring new people, and earning from the Offer Center frequently will improve your verification speed. Verified members can request instant cash out. This means verified members receive their money within 1 to 2 hours of requesting a cash out. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.